Snowy owl. Native to harsh Arctic tundra, snowy owl is one of the largest and most beautiful species of owls in the world. As the name suggests, they are mostly white with dark gray spots. This large owl typically weighs between 3.5 to 6.5 pounds and has a wingspan up to 60 inches. Without a doubt, humans are main threat of snowy owls. The list of the natural predators is very short: Arctic foxes, jaguars and wolves. But snowy owl is known to protect their territory aggressively. With the attack of razor-sharp talons, snowy owls could drive their predators away. If a human is a threat, they would target head and the eyes. Snowy owl's track to the eyes could be very serious. Tailed hawk is a common hawk found across North America. They typically weigh between 2 and 4 pounds. The wingspan of red-tailed hawk is measured between 38 and 43 inches. Their wings are broad and the tail is short. Female bird of this species of hawk is larger than males. They prefer to live in open areas. As you can expect, the powerful talons are the main weapon of red-tailed hawks. That's what exactly you should be afraid of, because red-tailed hawks defends their territory fiercely. Barred owl is a large, round-headed owl which widespread in North America. They prefer to live in forests and woodlands. These owls have a maximum length of 21 inches and a wingspan between 41 and 43 inches. Barred owls are nocturnal birds and thus hunt only at night. The most interesting thing about barred owl is their way of flying, and fly noiselessly through the dense forest. It is due to the speciality of their feathers. But this speciality also makes barred owls dangerous for humans. Loon is a large diving bird which also known as common loon. They have a length between 24 to 39 inches and wingspan up to 60 inches. The spear-like beak is the most highlighting feature of Great Northern Loon. These migratory birds spend their summer in lakes and ponds in northern United States, Canada and Greenland. In winter, they migrate to south, to Pacific and Atlantic coastlines. From the physical features, you could easily say that what makes Great Northern Loon dangerous to humans, their sharp beak. They target head or neck, just like attacking their natural predators such as bald eagles, gulls, sea otters, ravens or skunks. Mute swan weighing up to 28 pounds. Mute swan is one of the largest waterfowls native to Europe. They live in ponds, rivers, wetlands and inland lakes. The wingspan of this large bird also measures up to 2.4 meters. The cuteness of mute swans may force you to go near them. But keep in mind that they are aggressive and can pose danger to you. The attack from mute swans on humans mostly happen during the nesting time, in the spring season. Nesting swans defend their zone vigorously. Australian magpie. Australian magpie is the second most dangerous bird of the country, after southern cassowary. This medium-sized bird live in grasslands, fields, parks and gardens across most of Australia. In spring, when nesting period arrives, Australian magpies becomes very aggressive. This behavior is to protect their nest. European herring gull measuring up to 26 inches in length. European herring gull is a large gull found across Western Europe. These gulls are notorious for both stealing food and attack on humans. They have a wingspan of 49 to 61 inches and up to 2.6 long, razor-sharp bills. So, serious injuries are sure from the herring gull attacks. Like other birds, European herring gulls also become more aggressive and attack during nesting season. You should keep a safe distance from these birds because they attack in a team. Native to Africa, ostriches inhabit in savannas, deserts and grasslands across the continent. A fully grown ostrich weighs up to 150 kilograms and stands 6 feet in height. At a top speed of 43 miles per hour, they are also the fastest bird in the world. But the most important thing you need to know about this powerful bird is with a powerful kick of an ostrich could kill a lion or a human. Southern cassowary. Considering the size, southern cassowary is the second largest bird in the world, weigh between 75 to 80 kg and up to 5.1 in height. There are 3 toes on each leg of cassowaries. These toes are equipped with 5 inches long razor-sharp claws. So, a single strike from a southern cassowary could result in breaking of bones, critical injuries or even death. Also, cassowaries are known to jump top of the victim. In such a case, injuries can be very critical or may even result in death.